Hey, Jason from Hardware Journal. I'm here with Sean from NORMA Pacific. We're going to talk about piping, pipe fitting and its application and some of the cool, tech around the pipe fittings which are available through this group. Go for it, Sean.
NORMA Pacific manufacture a telescopic repair joiner. We do it in a rural and a metric fitting. Basically, if a consumer or a plumber cuts their pipe and they want to fix it, normally in the past they just get two fittings and a bit of pipe to repair. Well, NORMA's come up with a telescopic fitting basically where you don't need the two fittings and a pipe. It's a telescopic repair joiner. Basically you cut your pipe, you get the length of the pipe that you want to measure, you can pull your telescope out to the length, do it up in the centre, undo the sides, push the pipe into each side and do them up both sides basically, and we do it in rural and metric.
From an emergency repair point of view, with a burst pipe, something like that, where you've got to move quick, in some spots you've got small spaces. Is that why it's been designed that way?
Basically, yeah, and it's a quick repair where in the past you'd have to get the two joiners. Using two joiners and a bit of pipe, you've got to cut the pipe exactly to the right level, and then you've got to drop it in the hole and make sure there's no leaks. With this product, basically you just undo the centre, pull it out to the length you need to pull it out to, undo the sides, push the pipe all the way in, do it up tight, hand tight both sides, and you're done. And you can cover up the hole and walk away.
And what's the life of that application?
Basic will hold and they'll never have to worry again. There's a lot of opposition products out there from market leaders claim they've got a telescopic, but it's only a pipe joiner.
Yeah.
So they can't actually shrink it down. With this thing, you can move it to the right length that you want it to use.
So a lot more usability, easy to apply. You can speed and resolve that.
And resolve the issue,
quickly.
fix the pipe, and then turn the water back on and off you go again.
Yeah, fantastic. Great talking to you today,
Nice to meet you.
Sean. Thank you very much.
Thank you.